Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now today I'm going to teach you here Jamal lecture number one, right? And the words and their relationships, complements, right? Relationships, complements, case, and valency, right? Here you can see words and their relationships, complements, words and the relationships, complements. The major topic is here now today, complements, case, and valency. Like other languages, German has different types of word, right? Like other languages, German has different types of words. Here you can see der, der determiner, the, böse, bad, böse, bad, wolf, wolf, schläft, sleeping, right? Verb, noun, adjective, and determiner. Just follow these four kinds of types of words: determiner, adjectives, noun, verbs. Der böse Wolf schläft. The bad wolf is sleeping. Now next, look another example. Determiner. Der böse Wolf frisst. Right here, the new word frisst, eat. D determiner. There are two times here. This example determiner. One is here, right? Determiner is two time, here and here. Determiner, right? You can see, and both times the article there is used deity, right? But meaning is like same the in English language. The. Der böse Wolf frisst die Großmutter. The bad wolf eats the grandmother, right? You can see here two times the determiner has come in the initial, right, in the beginning of the sentence, and also in the second last word here, the determiner T. Der böse Wolf frisst. Der böse Wolf frisst die Großmutter, right? And look another example. Pronoun, right here you can see the pronoun. In above examples you have seen the determinant, and now you can see here pronoun, like in English he, she, it, they, right? I, my, me, we, us, you, your, you, he, him, she, her, it, is, they, them. And now here you can see er. Er is a determiner, right? Pronoun, sorry, pronoun he. Er frisst sie. He eats her. Er frisst sie. Two times you can see the determiner. One is here, and two times there is a determiner, right? Er frisst sie. Just learn German language, right? With me, German grammar, right? And it's not very difficult, right? If you'll pay attention, you can learn a lot along with me here. I'm available, and just if you like the video, just subscribe my YouTube channel PLLC Online, right? And if you want to learn online, you can contact with me on my WhatsApp number 0346684826. This is my WhatsApp number, right? You can contact with me, you can learn. Just like the videos and know today's lecture is over, right? And you have learned in this lecture complements, case, valencies, and some other words. Look, this is the determiner, adjectives, noun, verbs, determiner, right? You have learned, and you have also learned words and their relationships, right? complements, case, and valencies. They are, and also verb, noun, adjective. Okay, best of luck. Nice take care of you. Contact with me and learn German language with me. Assalamu alaikum.